Right behind me is a custom food truck made just for you.
Like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse.
This interior is stacked to the gills with equipment. We got custom cabinets, stainless steel floor to ceiling. This thing is a money-making machine. Bumper to bumper, you're looking at a 26-foot truck with an 18-foot kitchen. Plenty of firepower to serve large crowds and events. With us, you're not just buying a food truck, you're investing in a build that will last a lifetime.